Hello YouTuber and Viewmaster friend, 3D and retro enthusiast. We are very happy that you are here. Please keep your stereo viewer and the Viewmaster 3D reel set ready, which we show here in our video. Even if you don't have this 3D picture set yet, maybe you can just listen to our spoken text and imagine the motifs in your own fantasy world. Now listen to the following audio video while you take your time looking at the 3D images and switching accordingly frame by frame. This is the 3D Viewmaster Oberammergau Passion Play religious series with authentic scenes from the Passion Play Oberammergau, Germany, 1950. Tableaux, Part 1, Part 2. 21 Viewmaster 3-dimension pictures, reel numbers 1550, 1551 and 1552. Tableau, reel number 1550. Picture 1. Expulsion from paradise. Picture 2. Adoration of the cross. Picture 3. Young Tobias departs from his parents. Picture 4. The best juice of the wine. Picture 5. The Philistines make sport of Samson. Picture 6. Joseph is acclaimed father of Egypt. Picture 7. The resurrection. Part 1, reel number 1551. Picture 1. Jesus drives out the money changers. Picture 2. Mother, I am on the way to Jerusalem. Picture 3. Father, I thank thee for this drink of the wine. Picture 4. Take, eat, this is my body. Picture 5. 30 pieces of silver. Picture 6. Son of man, sanctify thy Father's will. Picture 7. Thou hast called God thy Father. Part 2, reel 1552. Picture 1. By my soul, I know not this man. Picture 2. Thee, my loving friend and master, have I denied. Picture 3. I am his murderer. Picture 4. Art thou king of the Jews? Picture 5. For love of thee will I carry it. Picture 6. Today thou shalt be with me in paradise. Picture 7. How thy body is covered with wounds. We want to add new videos every day, and if you don't want to miss any of them, subscribe to our channel for free.
And press the little bell. We are also happy to have a thumb up.